Hello and welcome all my dear second standard students. I am Rohan sir from Mahdi English Medium School. Welcome my all dear second standard students in today's grammar lecture. Dear students, I hope that the previous lecture of grammar you have watched it properly and you have noted down both the letter writing topics, both the questions, and I hope that you will try those topics on your own. As like I said that only when you copy down and when you learn and you write, it is not grammar. Grammar is when you practice it and you modify the answers on your own. So please make sure that letter writing was one of the important topics which you will have to face till the 10th standard. So it's better if you keep practicing those topics, and that is the reason why I sent letter writing for 3 to 4 lectures continuously, so that you have the great practice for that. The more you practice, the more will you have the grip on the topics of grammar. Now welcome once again in the grammar lecture. What are we going to do? So we are going to start with chapter number 9, present continuous tense. Yes, so present continuous tense is as easy as the simple present tense and simple past tenses were. As you know that in chapter number 7 and 8 you have understood the topic of what is simple present tense and what is simple past tense, right? So similarly, this is also very easy topic of present continuous tense. Tenses are of 12 types. I have explained you simple present and simple past, 2 types. Simple future is not in your syllabus because simple future will perhaps come either in the 3rd or in the 4th standard. So simple future tense in short is not in your syllabus. So for now present and the past types are in your syllabus. Simple present, simple past tenses are done. Now I shall introduce you present continuous tense, which is again the present tense type. Now here it is as easy as the simple present tense was. So I hope that you will carefully watch this lecture. As this lecture, like I said, you have to watch it very carefully because the things which you will learn here, you will just get the 1 step or 2 steps higher than the things you learn here in the next standard. If you need to move to the 3rd or 4th step, you need to clear 1st and 2nd. This is how you have to pay attention here, because present continuous tense, like tenses generally, is the topic which people consider is very hard, very difficult. Let me tell you, no, it is not at all difficult. It is very easy. Only is your 100% attention, concentration is needed. So I hope that you people have that concentration and you will pay that concentration here in this lecture. So please be ready with your rough books and textbook. If you have the textbook, the page number is 32, chapter number 9 from the grammar topic, present continuous tense. I repeat, page number 32. And please also keep rough book with you. I will be giving you tricks, I will be giving you formula for the tense, so which will be useful to you throughout your study till 10th standard. Let me tell you again, only you have to watch the lecture carefully and do what I say, and the magic will happen that present continuous tense, the topic which even 10th standard students are getting confused in, you will be able to solve it just within no time. I guarantee, but the condition is your concentration should be on the screen. So I hope you are ready with your books, aren't you? Because in the previous lecture also I informed you that for the next lecture when you sit, please be ready with your books. Now let's get started. Now to display the textbook first on the screen. And here it is, chapter number 9, present continuous tense. I hope all of you are now ready to understand this new topic. Now, again starting from A to Z, we will start from A. I know that I have already explained you A, B, C, D, half of the alphabet. There are 26, I might have explained you half of that. But again I want to start from A. This is what we say, right? Again we have to start from the beginning. So let me explain you what is the meaning of tense. Do you remember what is the meaning of tense? When I was explaining you students, when I sent you the video lecture of simple present and simple past tense, first thing I explained you was what is the meaning of tense. You should know the meaning of tense, right? If there are 12 types of tenses, first you should know the meaning of tense. Let me explain it to you. Tense means nothing but time. Yes, you heard it right. It's very easy. Tense equals to time. Now, shall I explain you what is the meaning of time? No, you all know what is the meaning of time. Correct? So, what is the time first of all? Time here are divided of 3 types: present, past, future. Present means today, this time, what is going on. Past means the time which has gone, yesterday, or before 1 hour, before 2 hours, that also we can say past. Future, that the day which is going to come, the time which is going to come. So basically time is divided in these 3 parts. Further, these 3 parts are subdivided into 4 parts. That is why 12 types of tenses are there. Now we will study today present continuous tense. Present means this time, continuous means which is going on. So it will be very easy for you people to understand like this. This time which is going on is present continuous tense. Wasn't it very easy? Now let us see what warm-up exercise says. Underline the verbs that tells you that the action are happening now. Let us read and underline. She is reading a book. What is she doing? What is this girl doing? Reading. What is she reading is not asked here. Here they have asked us to underline the action. Action is reading. Picture B. I am learning to swim. What is she doing? Swimming? No. She is learning to swim. So learning here is the main action. Next picture. They are fishing in the pond. What are they doing? Fishing. He is playing football. What is he doing? Playing. Priya is studying for her exams. What is Priya doing for exams? Studying. The painter is painting the room. What is the painter doing? Painting the room. So here we have underlined the actions. So whatever you have underlined, so these are the actions. But can you see one similarity in all the actions? Let us first read what is written in the box. The verbs you underlined tells us about the actions that are happening now. So these sentences are in the present continuous tense. Students, I'll give you one hint to recognize present continuous. So first of all, continuous means what? The things which are continuously happening. When you are talking in the class for a long time, teacher scolds you. Stop talking, you are talking continuously. Do you remember this line? Every teacher might have said this line, right? So the things which are continuously happening. Now you see here, when we say Priya is studying for her exams. Can you see Priya sitting here? She is still studying. See on the table. So she is doing this activity, right? She has not stopped studying, nor is she going to study. She is studying right now and she is still studying. Moreover, always continuous tense will be in the ing form. That means we have to always add ing with the action, with the verb. Study is the action. We have added ing, studying. Again fishing, ing, playing, ing, painting, ing. See, this is the common thing. This is the similarity I was talking about. Always in the verb of continuous tense, ing will be there. Whatever the action might be, ing will be added. Again, read plus ing, reading, learn plus ing, learning. See? So, this is called continuous form, in which ing is always there. Now, I hope that you have understood the meaning of continuous, present continuous. So, while forming the present continuous tense, we add helping verb like am, is, are before the ing verbs. That means we have to add helping verb. Now what is helping verb? Here you can see Priya is studying for her exams. So what is the verb? Studying. And before that is there. So without using is, this sentence might be incomplete. Priya studying for her exams? No, this doesn't sound good. Nor is it called a complete sentence. So is, am, are, these type of helping verbs are used. That means the word which helps the main verb to complete the sentence. Those are called the helping verbs. So now I hope that you have understood the concept of helping verb and continuous form of tense. Now this is a table we have to read, that where is am used, where is are used, and where is used, because is, am, are used in the different places. So this is what we should know. With what can we use am, is, are? So here that table clearly shows with what can we use am, is, are. See, amm is the helping verb which we have to use only and only with I. Whenever we start the sentence using I, at that time you can use am. I am eating, I am sleeping, I am writing, I am studying. So always with I we can use am, and these sentences I am sleeping, I am studying, I am eating. These are present and continuous, present continuous, because this is what you speak when you are doing that. At that time, at that present time, you say that I am doing. Right now, students, if I'll ask you the question, what are you doing? You will say that, sir, I am watching video. This is also present continuous. Now you are watching the video. See, now you are watching my video lecture. So I am watching the video, or I am watching the video lecture. So watch plus ing, watching, and with I you have used am, I am. I hope this thing is clear. Now where do we use are? Can we say he are doing, she are doing? No, that is incorrect. We will use are as the helping verb whenever there is plural subject, whenever subject is plural. See, you is the exception. We can say you to the one person or to many people also. You all are doing mischief in the class. This is what teacher says. Now here you means all the students. But when I say you have to complete your book, now I am pointing to any one student. So you is used to point out many as well as to one. So with you we will use are. You are eating sweets, aren't you? Yes, you all like sweets very much, I know. You eat lots of chocolates and sweets. Now we means we all. Now when I am standing in the class, I can speak that we all are very happy. Now you see, we means you and me, both. So it makes we. Now we means plural, that's why we will use are, and similarly they are playing on the ground. Next is the use of is. Now is used whenever the subject is singular, only one. He means I am pointing to one boy, she means I am pointing to one girl, it means I am pointing to either one animal or one thing. And even if I say Rumina is eating sweets, that means I am only talking about one girl, singular. So whenever it is singular, we have to use is. Now before going on here towards the exercise, I want to give you one formula for the present continuous tense. Please write it down. It's subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus ing plus object. So this is the formula for the present continuous form of tense. Please note down, students. This formula will be useful to you till your 10th standard, because present continuous form of tense is not going to change. Yes, the level of exercise might become tough for you, but the formula will remain as it is. So if you will practice more formula, you will be having more good command and the grip over these topics. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing plus object. Why have I done plus? Because this is called sentence framing. How to frame the sentence. In English, subject usually comes first and the object comes last. See, I used the word usually. Rohan is eating pizza. So Rohan is subject and pizza is object. As Rohan is doing the activity, so Rohan is the subject and pizza means on what thing activity is done, who is the receiver of the action? Pizza. And I have used Rohan is. Can I not say Rohan am eating? No. Am is used with I. So can I not say Rohan are eating? No. Because Rohan is singular. One. That's why we use is. Rohan is eating. Why eating? You can ask me the question, right? Sir, why eating? Why not eat? So here ing is to be added, right? Eat plus ing, eating. Pizza. Okay, I hope that you have written these formula. Now, let's solve the sentences here. Fill in the blanks using am is are and ing form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now, we have to solve this exercise in which we have to see the subject at the starting of the sentence. We have to choose any one, am, is, are, any one according to the subject, and then add ing to the verbs given in the brackets. Very easy. Let us solve this. I hope that you are ready with your pencils and books. I will give you a couple of seconds to get ready. Okay, I hope you are ready now. Let's start. Question A. They dashed in the park. They dashed in the park. So, first of all, you have to choose am, is, are. Can you say they am? No. Can you say they is? Obviously not. Can you say they are? Yes, this sounds good. Not only sounds good, but now when you see, they means we point out to many. Plural. Whenever subject is plural, we have to add are. And ing with the verb. So, play plus ing becomes playing. Wow, how easy it is. Now read the sentence. They are playing in the park. See, it's very easy. You might be even speaking these kind of sentences in your regular life, but you were not knowing that this is present continuous form of tense. Now again I'll give you one easy way. See, simply you can add ing with the verb. Bath plus ing, get plus ing, examine plus ing. So here whenever you are adding, sometimes you have to double the letter. It will come slowly when we will solve. Let us solve the next one. Mary dashed her pet dog Buzo. So here bath plus ing becomes bathing. Let me just write that. Bath plus ing. Bathing. Okay, now what will come? Mary means one girl. Singular. Can we say am? Forget about am. Am you will only use whenever you see I in the starting. So you have to select is, are. Which will you select? Mary is? Yes, because Mary singular noun, so we will use is. Mary is. Mary is bathing her pet dog Buzo. Next is mother dashed apples for us. First of all, we have to add ing, but here get plus ing, getting, no. Spelling of getting is getting. So you have to double the last letter T and then add ing. So mother dashed getting apples for us. Now mother, that means again one noun, singular. So whenever there is singular, do we have to use are or is? Obviously is. Mother is getting. So This is the answer. Students, I hope that you also are writing the answers. Okay. If you do not want to write full sentence, you can at least write answer sequence and answers properly, so that later when you get the PDF or the textbook of your own, you can jot down the answers which you have already understood. Next question, which perhaps will be the last question for today, and then I'll give you chance to try, because grammar, you know that as much as you will try, you will come to know, and it will be easier for you to solve in the exam as well. The doctor dashed Tarun's sore throat. Examine. Examine means to study something. So the doctor dash. First of all, examine will be examining. We have to add ing. So one change is there. It's examining. So we will remove e and then add ing. Now here the question is doctor. We cannot use am. Can we use is or are? Doctor are examining? No. Carefully see, doctors are not written, only doctor. That means they are talking about one doctor, singular. So we will use is. The doctor is examining Tarun's sore throat. So this is how you have to solve the rest of the sentences, which yes, I will solve more in the next lecture. Till then, keep practicing grammar. Have a nice day. Goodbye.